Hello and very welcome to presentation number 14 of the email power machine. When you see these numbers on your left hand and on your right hand, I assume that you think now we are in business. And that's right, now you are in business. This guy on your left hand is Michael Cheney from Scotland. And based on his personal subscribers list, he made $41,409.70 commissions with only one campaign. And don't get me wrong here, it is not a one-time thing what I show here, but it is a structural strategy that has earned him a six-figure income year after year. He made more than 6 million. The question, of course, is how the heck does Michael do this? Well, I think you know the answer. He made it with email marketing, of course. And the great thing here is that you as a reader can achieve the exact same thing by grabbing the valuable information which I have given you here, by grabbing the valuable information with both hands and making a serious implementation of it to your email marketing strategy. When you do that, I guarantee you that you can achieve the same results as Michael Cheney. Besides that, if you like to see more in detail how he achieved these results, then I strongly advise you to take action and to click on this link here. Okay, now we go to the right hand. This guy is John Thornhill. You know him already. He made, with only one product, $51,301.27 commissions. Only with one product. And of course, he made this with his email marketing strategy. And the great thing here is that I give you, in chapter 9 of your ebook, the exact blueprint how John Thornhill made $51,301.27 commissions. There you can read back the exact subject lines, the meat of the story, the call to action, and a PS, and also emails without a PS, and what he did instead of that. So my advice is, after watching this video, go to chapter 9, read in detail every word, let it sink in, read it again, and then implement it in your email strategy on your own personal way, your authentic way, and I guarantee you that you can make these amounts of money as well. Thank you very much, and I see you in the next video.